Hi, welcome to the last week of our class for our social policy. And I want to thank you for all your hard work you put in this semester. I know we had a strange change of events, and I promised you we would have, face-to-face presentations, and that didn't work out. But we moved to online, and for the most part, everyone did a pretty good job at doing with that. So this week, we're on the final part of the class, and I will go over what we need to do. There's a final discussion, one question, and you'll have 3 responses to this discussion. You will not have to do this on 3 different days, so I'm a little lenient on the last week for this. And then there is a final Dropbox assignment. Again, it's a reflective assignment. And I want you to double check and make sure you read and commented in all of your classmates' papers. So this week, just going down what we have, and not very much, like I said. Final Dropbox assignment. And again, you're going to revisit the goals that you did for the first Dropbox assignment for the semester and write 1 to 2 paragraphs discussing if you met the goals. If you haven't, discuss why. If you have, discuss, what you got out of that. Second, here's our discussion. 1 question again. And I want you to discuss your main takeaway from this course. Or you can discuss a social policy topic that you felt was the most interesting to explore. So maybe there is something that wasn't a main takeaway from the class, but you had a major interest in something and you want to discuss that further. So you're just going to name that and discuss it. Pretty straightforward end of the class. I generally promise my classes that we have a fairly laid back final experience in the class. You've done a lot of work this semester, went through a whole textbook, and had numerous discussions, and I'm really proud of that. You also managed to get through dealing with the unexpected issue of having our classes morph from being face-to-face to online, and again, I'm pretty happy with the results. This is a discussion-related class. It's very hard to have a multidisciplinary class that covers a lot of different topics, including psychology, sociology, and political science, and not have discussions about it. And so those of you who managed to work through that and still do online discussions, I'm happy with your hard work. So again, thank you so much for what you put in this semester. I know some of you are graduating, and I'm really proud of you. And congratulations. Getting through college is a major accomplishment. It's something to be proud of. And I'm really proud of the graduates we have of our human service program. So thank you for being with us. And the rest of you, there is a follow-up to this class. Next semester we do have public administration, which should be face-to-face in Rapid City once a week. And we use tons of cases in that class. And that's really pretty fascinating. We go a little bit further with this. But other than that, I wish all of you luck. And again, thank you so much for your hard work. I will put an end of the semester video up for all my classes, probably towards the end of the week. And again, if you have any questions, make sure you send me an email, and I would love to get back to you. And again, if there's any questions you have during the summer or after class is over, I'm still your teacher even after the semester is over, so feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much, and have a great week.